check out the cart. This was a quick trip to Sam's Club after work.
Some pretty good deals here. This is Halloween candy for $7.91. Best by date is 5/20/2026. So yeah, you'll be getting that for Halloween next year. And this one is like a Thanksgiving pumpkin spice kind of thing. I'll try it out for $4.71. But yeah, this is might be a good deal for some. $28.91 for 375 pieces of Reese's. Let's see if I can find the best by date. This one has a best by date of May 2025, so not so good. Compare that to this gifting bucket for $3.75 for $57.98. $375, $57.98. $3.75, $28.91. Get the Halloween one instead of this so-called Christmas one. Yeah, it's the same thing. Honestly, when did Christmas become a candy kind of thing? Like, who's passing out candy for Christmas? Like, is that a thing? Like these candies, yeah, Christmas time. I know these candies. Like, if you're Jamaican, you're gonna go to somebody's house and you might find this in them little glass accoutrements, you know? Another interesting thing on clearance is these Ruffles Double Crunch, $3.91. Picked up one of these. This is $2.21. This is a Doritos Collision, so I guess it has two different flavors in it. $2.21. I'll check it out.